Oh no, it is morning already. We are late to start our day.
I am so hungry. I need food now. I cannot wait anymore.
Mom, I cannot find my spoon anywhere.
Okay, here. Everyone breathes. Let's start the morning step by step.
Hello, everyone. Today, I show my family. I speak slowly and clearly. This is for beginners. And this channel is for you and anyone who wants to improve their English and enjoy simple daily English stories.
Hi, I am Alex. I love cooking for my family and helping everyone start the day in a good way.
I am Leo. I ask many questions every day, sometimes too many. I am always curious about everything.
I am Mia. I love drawing, painting, and making small stories.
And this is Coco, our playful dog. He is funny, active, and sometimes a little naughty.
He is already making trouble this morning.
Then he also makes us laugh all the time. Okay, everyone, let's eat breakfast together now.
Breakfast is very important. It gives us energy for the whole day.
I want juice first. I am really thirsty today.
I want toast with jam. And eggs too, please. Coco took my bread. That is not fair.
He is so fast. He is like a little food thief.
Oh no, my spoon fell. I need it again.
Don't worry, Mia. I will get it for you.
Okay, everyone, let's not panic. We work together.
Good idea. Leo, go left. Lea, stay here.
I will go right.
Coco, stop! Please give me the spoon.
I see him. He is near the kitchen door.
I got him! Finally.
Good job, everyone. That was great teamwork.
Ow. Breakfast is finally calm again.
This is a nice family morning.
Even with problems, we are happy together.
Today was a little messy, but we stayed together and helped each other. And we solved every problem as a family. This is just the beginning of our day and our story.
When are we going to the park?
Good question. Yes, it is time too. Let's get ready for our park adventure. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.